Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening New Zen and joining an active trading lobby. Once there, lock in connectivity and read player names to spot reliable traders. Prepare 3 items, 1 high value, 1 mid-tier, and 1 low value as bargaining chips, and list their rough dollar or percent worth in chat. Next, invite a trader, post a concise offer, and confirm the trade window. Make sure to type exact quantities and agree on the exchange order before moving to the next step. You now negotiate. State exactly what you want and what you give, item for item or item plus currency, and explain why your offer is fair. Once done, add a timed expiry of 60 to 120 seconds so both sides decide quickly. This deters scams and keeps momentum. Inspect each item's level, bonus stats, and trade lock status in the trade window, and ask questions about anything unclear. If the other player hesitates, politely restate the benefits, and be ready to adjust one. To finish, make sure you and the counterparty both click accept and wait for the confirmation tone or message. Do not close the window early. If the trade glitches or an item disappears, cancel immediately, take screenshots of the window and chat, and reopen a fresh trade with the same items to test. If problems persist, report to moderators with timestamps and images so you can recover value. Remember, stay calm, document everything, and avoid resuming trades until the issue is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.